it's Mike from Purity. I want to go over a hip mobility exercise with you. Hip mobility is extremely important because it helps maintain proper function with the lower back, all the way down to the mobility issues you can experience through your knee and even to your feet. It can really make a big difference if we can add motion through the hip, along with other exercises like foam rolling. But this exercise specifically is by getting into this front lunge position. What we're trying to do now is to get as low as we can to the ground while we wrap around one hand to the outside of the foot and one hand to the inside of the foot. What we're trying to do at this point is we're just trying to lower our chest towards the ground as far as we can go. I don't personally have great hip mobility, so you might actually be able to get lower into this. But one hand on the inside, one hand on the outside, and essentially going as low as you possibly can. Where you're going to feel this exercise is kind of a deep ache in through the hip. You should never experience pain when you're doing this, but I do want some discomfort. As with most exercises, we're trying to hold the stretch for about 15 seconds, and you really should be trying to do this throughout the day. If you notice one hip is much tighter than the other, of course, maybe one or two more extra sets on that side would be helpful, but you really should be balancing it on both sides. And again, along with other exercises, and again, consulting with myself or your health practitioner, this is typically a great exercise to help with a lack of movement in through the pelvis.